पूरा सीढ़ी है ना।
ऐसा मार खिलाया कि हॉस्पिटल में बचा पाएगा, डॉक्टर ने
टायर्ड हो जाएगा यार आदमी। Reached almost half the area and see the hill areas. See the water drops coming from the top. There is a water drop that coming from the top. You can watch. There is also इधर का पहाड़ का सीनरी लेकिन मस्त है। So feeling just extremely tired, walking up multiple steps and still there is so many steps to go. So this is the way actually, and you can see that how small stones, and even I am in the bare feet, yeah. So I am not taking any kind of risk to go upstairs, and but still I am trying to go a little bit. And so if you just interested to make some noise, come out from your home, visit any local, that means that may be any place, you just come out from home, visit any place, and that's it. There is still lots of place to go to the top, and till now I am feeling so tired that you can realize it from my voice. And before this there was steps and it was quite easy to go upstairs, and now it is not quite easy. Now it is too tough to go ahead, and almost I am in the flat hill area. I don't know how far it will be. Here is my partner, he also arrived here. चलो रिटर्न करते हैं और आगे नहीं जाना है. या मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली ये जो खाली पैर है ना, ये और दिक्कत करता है. कैन सी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली दी barefoot is the biggest problem. So it feels just amazing that it never happens that you go to the top of the hill, and it's really amazing to go to the top of the hill. And I just cannot say that how excited am I I just cannot just tell it that how excited am I. I am extremely excited. And so visiting a hill area, that's an amazing memory. It can be amazing memory in your life. If you get any kind of chance, you just come out. So finally we are just stepping down, and the most important thing was that walking in the hill area with small stone chips, big small chips with your bare foot, that is that is something special. And that is a different type of memorable thing. You will just enjoy. Normally you just don't walk barefoot, and in this rusty area I'm just showing you that how rusty is it. So this is the area. In this area you have to go just bare feet. I'm showing you, here is my partner, he is also walking in barefoot. So you can realize that how hard is it to walk in this area. But it was definitely, I mean totally, a memorable journey of my life, walking in the top of a hill. And the most important thing is with barefoot. You can see a family just walking in front of me, and all of them are also in a barefoot. So that's really something amazing, something memorable, something you can say you cannot slip down from here, otherwise it might hurt you a lot. So risky, man. Or fun lies in the risky things. This is the beauty of surrounding hill area. You can see how greenery is it. And we just went up there. And the local family. So finally just come out steps from the hill, and still feeling too much tired. And just this is the outside scenery, and you can see it. There is a little bit fear also. So a quite memorable journey after all. Even you can say lots of harassment also. From here my plan is to going a local dam, and that is a very small dam. I don't know the name of it, but I will go there and I will show. So it's okay. Hope you have enjoyed it, and if you can, then come climb any kind of hill, I mean top of the hill, and that's an amazing thing. So it's bye bye then.